Hi guys! For this video, nadulag na po ko Squid Game. So, kung ano Squid Game niya siya na episode 2, pero Mengel niya itong gidula. Mengel, ito lagay siya, ito lagay. Basta. Kung cheat siya. So, karoon di ko nakadulagay kay kabla naman mo na eskwela na mo guys. Eskwela naman ko niya. Karoon na ito naka-vlog karong gabi. So, let's go. Okay, wala pa. Okay, let's go. Okay, didip ka ano. Wala pa. Go ka sulod. Okay, hapit na ang times. Please. Time's up na. Ka-excited na ako magdulo. Okay. Mengel dito na dula. Itong dugay. Itong sin. Kaya pa. So, let's go. Okay. Hi, uncle. Naka-yellow lagi ka. Okay. Wait na. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yay. Okay. Let's go. Mengel Squid Game. Squid Games episode 2. Okay. Let's go. It's this. This one. Diri ata. Wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Naunsa man ko. Naunsa si For the Cute. Uncle For the Cute. Okay.
Welcome to the game, players.
Muna siya guys,
All players,
Mengel.
please step onto the central platform. I repeat, all players, please step onto the central platform.
Step on to the. Okay.
This game's name is Bingo. I will now explain the rules of the game.
Yes.
When the game starts, the platform will begin to
Okay,
rotate,
muna siya guys, Mengel.
and you will
Mengel
hear a number.
okay.
You must fill the rooms with the specified number of players. If a room is not filled with the specified number of players,
Mengel
the
din na siya
players will
dudula.
be eliminated.
Kailan namatay siya.
If a player is left outside,
If a player
the player will be
is
eliminated.
left. Hala, gilabay lagi ko. Okay, let's go. Okay na? Pwede na ko. Perminti lagi ko maano lagi. Okay, pwede manulak. Okay, sige man tagkatumbal. Pwede manulak. Okay. Okay. Magkatakan bisa mo.
Four groups with the specified number of players.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Dito. Yung si ano, ay, 5. Dari mo. Ay, 5. 5. Oh my gosh, 5. Oh, what the fuck? Ay, sorry na, manikas ko. Ah! Wait na, dito. Lapot. Namatay ko, guys. Namatay ko. What is going on? Namatay ko, guys. Bingo. Namatay ko. Okay ra. Sadi nang namatay ta. Ako ma-survive. My gosh. Dala ko screen kay ginahan jud ka ni Minggi. Andagay. Okay, ayara si Thanos, oh. Mani si Thanos? Magdili si Thanos. Okay. Si Thanos, akong pinaka-favorite sa character sa Squid Game 2. Sa episode 2 kay si Thanos guys. Happy birthday for the cute si Thanos. Si Thanos si Thanos. The cute lagi si Thanos. Magubot sa Thanos. Hi Thanos. Okay, wow.
Welcome to the game, players. All players, please step onto the central platform. I repeat, all players, please step onto the central platform. This game's name is Mingle. I will now explain the rules of the game. When the game starts, the platform will begin to rotate. And you will hear a number. You must fill the rooms with the specified number of players. If a room is not filled with the specified number of players, the players will be eliminated. If a player is left outside, the player will be eliminated.
Kiwi. Mingga, 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 mingga. Okay, dito. It's this, dito. Okay, no. Malipat. Please, ano ka ng tulang? I want.
Four groups with the specified number of players.
Oh, four. Four ba ni? Four. Pwede. Oh my gosh! Lagi. Pwede, four. Okay, four. Okay, four na ta. Hila. Okay, Ay, kamu ba? Ay, kamu panulat? Grabe. Nakig na nga matay. Uy, ayaw, good mo pag ano. Sila ba? Namatay lagi ko.
Players who fail to meet the condition
have
been eliminated from the game.
Ako namatay ko guys. Ginakuan na ko nila. Ano ba, namatay good. Ayaw na guys.
Four groups with a specified number of players.
Oh, four. Oh my gosh. Oh, come in. Pagdali mo. Ang time. Hoy, ang time. Hoy. Atay, 3 rata. Oh my gosh. Bulag isa.
Players who fail to meet the condition
Bulag
have been eliminated from the game.
Balik ta. Nanang tadariya. Balik ko guys. Dariya ko. Okay. Mga dumper ang banday.
Four groups with a specified number of players.
3. Come on. Come on, 3, number 3. 3. Oh my gosh. 3, okay. Safe. Oh my gosh. Oh! Ayaw, lagi mo pang ano ba? Panulak. Ba? Awa. Siyo panumbag.
Players who fail to meet the conditions have been eliminated from the game.
I'm survival. Ningo. Thanos. I'm a legend, Thanos. I'm a legend for the manto. I'm a legend for the kid. I'm a legend for the kid. Like, balik lang sa food.
Form groups with the specified number of players.
Oh, four. Let's go. Let's go. Four. Okay. Four. Oh my. Malintong lagi mo ay. Malintong. Tumag ka na nun. Bang. Hala. Agay. Ay, lagi mo pang ano ba?
Players who fail to meet the conditions have been eliminated from the game.
Namatay. Nagluin, kawawa mo. Ang kawawa ba ni Uncle? Na-split si Uncle ay na-split. Ilagamay na lang igay. Dati na umatay. Ako grade survive.
Form groups with the specified number of players.
Oh, four. Come on. Oh my gosh. Huh? Hoy, di ko survive. Dili ko survive. Oh my gosh, di ko survive. Hoy, 4 ang kailangan. Dito. Oh my gosh, di ko survive.
Players who fail to meet the conditions have been eliminated from the game.
Oh my gosh, di ko survive. I'm not survivable. Di ko survive, guys. Di ko survive. Magbangoy ako diri. Diri ako. Magbangoy ko. Diri. Nganong di man ko survive. Oh my gosh. Nganong di man ko survive. Pangutan ako ninyo, nganong di ko survive. Di, joke. O, era kay si Uncle. So, murag diri ang dapita atong video. So, dapat talinga man yung video na ko. O kung dili, wala ko. So, mura to guys. Please, na-enjoy man yung video na ko. So, mura to. Bye-bye!